Welcome back to Benton Homestead. Now, as Danny mentioned in our last video, we have had precious little time to work on our own creature comforts here since we've been so busy earning money and making sure we can stay in the country. But we did have time to get a couple of woodworking projects done. One of these was in last winter and one of these just now got completed, so let's take a look at the footage. Ponkan is not very happy about being stuck in his own room. But today we have the floor pulled up because we're going to fix this Tokonoma, which has fallen in. Here are the 6 floorboards which I removed in the order that I removed them. And here are the 2 tatami mats in the order that I removed them. And that is especially important because each tatami mat is only made to fit in a specific location on the floor. This is a Tokonoma. It is an alcove for displaying decorations. The floor is made of one solid slab of wood, and it has collapsed at some point in the past. First, I tried going in through the top and levering it up somehow, but that didn't work, so I've resorted to pulling up the floorboards to get to it from underneath. So first I pulled up one tatami mat, and I found that the floorboards underneath extended under 2 tatami mats, so I pulled up the second one. I did have to do something similar in our guest house to reinforce the subfloor there, and the foundation stones and timbers were way less impressive. Is that good there? So what has happened is there's a long piece that goes along the back of the Tokonoma floor, and that anchors into the whatever you call them, the wall pillars, and that's held in place with 2 nails, and those 2 nails have rusted through and it's collapsed, and that is why. So I'm going to go get some screws and fix it with screws. I've got the board up on a car jack here and I'm just checking the level. So it needs to come up just about 1/2 inch in the back, if you can see that. I'm going to adjust it, and I'm going to secure it here with a couple of screws, and then there is a central pillar that I can secure it to as well, so I'm going to repeat the process and jack it up again. Alright, job's a good one. Still got some cosmetic cleanup to do, but thanks for your patience, Ponkan.
Punky. Punky.
I'm having to learn to do some impromptu sliding door repair thanks to our 2 street dogs. So basically what I'm doing is just copying the broken piece with some new wood. These are the longest pieces I had to cut. I had to cut these notches out and the tongues on the end because there's no glue holding this door together. So I'm double checking my measurements here for where I need to put my notches. I already measured down to the millimeter, but everything's handmade here, so it's all a little bit off. So first I'm just using the old piece to set the depth on these grooves that I want to cut. Well, there you have it. They open, they close. The lighter colored wood is the new wood, obviously. So it's about as good as you can hope for. I guess the next step is just to get some paper back on them, and I think that's Danny's job. Well, I hope you enjoyed that little journey into traditional Japanese carpentry. And stick around because we've got a lot more in store as we work on this old house. Thanks for watching. This is Benton Homestead.